I'm Amy. I'm living in Chrysalis. I was originally going to do another video on Jaclyn Hill, but I don't wanna, so how about I unbox and swatch my most and least expensive new palettes? Let's get to it. Welcome or welcome back. Yeah, I'm still watching way too much on the mess, but I originally thought I was going to do another video, but I'm tired. I'm just so tired of the whole fiasco. So I may touch on it later, but I thought it would be more fun instead to go into my most and least expensive new palettes. But oh, before I do, don't forget, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like and share and turn me into an enormous beauty guru, since apparently we need a new crop. Just saying. I'm going to go into my Believe Beauty palette. The other two in the store, they look nice, but they look like colors I already have. What drew me to this one and why I decided to snag it is because of these very cool blue-gray sort of colors, which are not something I normally have. And I'm actually not sure if they'd be too cool for me, but at $5, I'll chance it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade. I don't think they have names. The palette's called Into the Blue, but okay, this is just, your basic setting shade. Okay, here we go here. Oh, not bad. And this one feels kind of gritty. Whoa! Look at that. Oh boy, it felt gritty, but wow. Look at that. I was not expecting that. Okay, this one feels soft and nice. I think, it's so strange. I wonder why that blue one was so, okay. Oh, that's a nice color. Oh, it's a duochrome. Can you see? And this last shade. Yep. Okay, so apparently that dark blue, or the royal blue, is the only gritty one. Very odd. But there they are. So $5 at Dollar General. So we've been doing a lot of cleaning, especially spring cleaning, which means the dust gets kicked up. So yeah, for the last few days, my husband and I have both taken a lot of Benadryl, which makes it really hard to put together and shoot and produce a video in a reasonable fashion. So here we are, last minute Friday night. I do have some news about Ulta's return policies and process. So as I was doing these returns to clear out some items that I knew I wasn't going to be using, and to return that Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, that Dark Magic one, because, well, for one thing, it wasn't great, but I loved the colors, but then I'm over her. I can't deal. So I discovered some things and I thought I should let you in on them. Now, it used to be when you went past about 60 days, the store wouldn't be able to look up your receipt. They would, you would actually have to call corporate and have them send over your receipts. Now that appears to have changed, because now corporate is when you call them, they say, oh, well, the store can look up your receipts. But then when I'm at the store, they say, well, we need the date, we need the store number, we need the transaction number, especially the transaction number, and the register number. So, so then I would call and get all these numbers for the store. So then they could do the lookup and do the transaction. So yeah, it's kind of weird because I kind of felt, like one's telling me one thing, one's telling me the other, but that's how you do it. You call corporate, you get those numbers, and then you can go to the store and they can look it up. With the exception, if it has been over 365 days, you're done. You can't look it up. So in all my returns, there's like one item that I couldn't return. But that's okay. It's all right. I'll still use it. Okay, here we go. The big kahuna. My most expensive palette to date, courtesy of merchandise return credit. Yay! So here we go. Not showing you the top of my box because it has my address. A few of you have my address, but the purpose of that is to send me things. Okay, and such a big box for one item. Yes, I did it. Finally. Now, about that. So the way the returns worked out, I actually wound up, I had purchased the Born to Run from Sephora. Then I realized it was on sale at Ulta. I returned a bunch of things to Ulta. I bought the Born to Run at Ulta, returned it to Sephora along with another item, and that meant I came up with enough money to buy this. Finally. Yeah, I even mentioned to Samantha March that I was going to buy it. And she's like, oh, you'll love it. You'll love it. Okay, the little thingamabobber. Very posh, very fancy. Ooh. Let's watch it, shall we? Yes. I'm going to disturb the pristine surfaces here. All for you. Okay, here we go. I clean off my arm. Yeah, okay, that's basic. But nice. These pants are so little and cute. Very nice. I'm much more delicate watching this one, probably because it's so dang expensive. Okay. $49.50, right? But oh, these feel like butter. Okay, this one felt a little crumbly, but that's because it's crumbly. Then black. So yeah, I mean, it's is it a pioneering color story? No, but they're all beautiful. And this is the sort of palette that I wear, especially when I want to feel like really armed, like have that extra boost of confidence, along with my Kevin Aquan products, and when I just want to be bougie. Not necessarily even for bougie's sake, but because it does kind of give you that little oomph, that little extra boost. Like that is an interview palette. Yeah. My least and most expensive palettes, these will be coming up on my channel with looks and all that. So do make sure to subscribe so you can catch those. And thank you so much. I'll see you soon.